Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Vivo V50 Lite 5G. And guys, and this is a new high mid-range phone that we have from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 90,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the black color. So once again we have black box. It comes with AI, so we have a lot of AI features on this Vivo V50 Lite 5G, and this one is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 6300 SoC. So very interesting to see how this phone is gonna perform in my upcoming speed test. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly open this box, and I already removed the plastic from the box. Let's open this box like this. So on the top we have our device, Vivo V50 Lite 5G, the black color, and here is the black color looks like. So on the back we have matte finish, although the back is made up of plastic, and the frame also it is made up of plastic because I don't see any antenna bands. So on the back we have 50 megapixel, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have Aura light on the back. So the LED flash, it is not available on this Vivo V50 Lite 5G, which is a disappointing thing. Now they just removed the flash as well. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have screen protector, which is already installed. So let's see what test we get, and then the phone. So below there is our silicone case, as you can see, not a transparent one, good quality silicone case, information as well as warranty card stuff. And here's our 90-watt super fast charger we have inside the box, USB A, and also we have our USB A to USB Type C cable. So no hand-free inside the box, and lastly we have our SIM injection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Vivo V50 Lite 5G in the black color. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as another SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this Vivo V50 Lite 5G. We have nano SIM support only. We don't have any micro SD card support because this phone also has a IP65 water and dust resistance. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. So on the top we have another speaker with another microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button, it is on the right hand side. The back, it feels really nice in the hand. This phone has a 6500 mAh battery size, which is the biggest in the Pakistan market so far, with the 90-watt super fast charging. And still with the 6500 mAh battery size, this phone feels really good in the hand. Nothing heavy about the Vivo V50 Lite 5G. So on the front we have gorgeous 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. We have 1800 nits of peak brightness, with the center punch hole on the top and the bottom chin, even the side passes, it is really small. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V50 Lite 5G. So the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a flat AMOLED. So here is the max brightness looks like, and display looks really bright, so which is a good thing. So here is the notification panel looks like, and we also have gaming mode. So let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So this one is running on latest Android 15. Also we have Vivo FunTouch OS version 15. We have 256 GB of internal storage out of only 230 GB. It is available for you guys. Also inside the battery section, inside the battery health, we have 100% battery. The fast charging, it is disabled by default. So let's go to the display. So you can see we have 120Hz refresh rate. So we also have a lot of AI features on this Vivo V50 Lite 5G, like AI eraser, AI notes, like that features. Let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. So the in-display fingerprint scanner, it is working absolutely fast, which you expect. So let's look at the camera. So here is the back camera looks like, and here is your 8 megapixel ultra wide. Here is the portrait mode, which is also available with the 2x. Here is the night mode, and here is the video mode. We also have ultra steady mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only Full HD at 30 fps, no 4K support. In the mode section we have our slow motion, we also have super mode, we also have dual view video mode, we also have pro mode, we also have 50 megapixel mode. So all those things it is available. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, f 2.5 aperture. In the selfie camera it looks okay, nothing extraordinary I would say in this lighting condition. So portrait mode also available, even the night mode. So let's see the video recording size with the front facing camera. So the front facing camera only shoots full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps support. So the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a massive 6500 silicon carbon battery with a 90 watt super fast charging. This one also has a 6 watt reverse wired charging, which you can use that with a USB type C. This one should give you at least 2 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also we have 90 watt fast charging once again. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V50 Lite 5G. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.